Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Graham and today I'm going to show you around this 68 registered Renault Kadjar. Now this is the dynamic model, so this is the nicely specified vehicle with all the must-have goodies like satellite navigation, privacy glass, cruise control, etc. Car is finished in the racing red metallic paintwork. Wonderful colour in the Renault range this. You'll see lots of the Renault cars in this colour. Very easy colour to maintain and just sets off all the nice bright detailing and the gloss black finishing on the vehicle. Now the car itself is sat on the lovely 17-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels. Nice size alloy wheel there, but not too big that it makes the tyres expensive and it spoils the ride. These are a wonderful car, whether it be petrol or diesel. Now this particular one is powered by the fuel efficient and very friendly petrol engine, and I must admit, driving these, they're a phenomenal car to drive. Nice size SUV. If you've got a growing family, this car will be ideal for that. Looking down both sides of the vehicle is free from any parking knock or trolley dent from being in the Asda. It's got privacy glass in the back there, and you can see all the chrome detailing, the chrome roof bars, the nice detail around the windows, following down to the lower lines of the vehicle, and it is all set off in lovely order. Now as we come round the back of the car there, you can see very nice, easy to park vehicle. Pop open that boot and we do have then a very nicely sized boot. These are a twin floor. So you can have the floor which is level with the entrance, or you can just drop these panels down like so and you've got a boot floor. But then again, if you're carrying bottles or shopping, you can use the staging post and stand things up. Very well thought out, that quite ingenious. But looking all around the car, very nice. Everything about it is as you would expect. Looking down the sides of the driver as well, it is in wonderful order. Little button on there is your keyless entry, so you can just press that and the car will then effectively lock up with ease. But all round, what a lovely car. Bodywork wise it's fantastic, paintwork wise it's really nice. Everything that you would expect from a low mileage, well cared for example. Now when I open the door, we've got some very nice black detail, and the cloth interior is in fantastic condition. 4 electric windows, electric door mirrors which power fold. The seats then are the dynamic. They're a sportier seat than the standard, and they're very well trimmed out with grey and black cloth with the silver stitch. Jumping in the vehicle now then, we've got a mileage of 38,597 miles as I start her up. We'll have no warning lights on the dashboard or anything like that. And as you can see there now, just a slight, want some air in a tyre. But yeah, let's have a look. So we've got automatic stop start, with automatic wipers, with automatic headlamps, leather trimmed steering wheel, very nicely functional, stereo and radio controls on the right, and then cruise control on the left. This vehicle is a 6-speed manual car, has an automatic handbrake. We do get 2 keys with it down there, and as you can see you've got twin USBs and 1 auxiliary and a standard 12-volt charger. This particular model comes with digital climate control and air conditioning at a press of a button, and then we get the multimedia system which is satellite navigation. You can touch each panel and it will go larger, send it back. You do have DAB radio, FM and AM, and then we've got Bluetooth phone as well. If we do press each button, it goes back throughout the system, go to the menu, and there you go, your various functions. But I don't smoke, and I can tell looking around it and also smelling it, this vehicle has never been smoked in either. Must have. We don't, unfortunately, we don't like smokers, do we, in this day and age. But yeah, what a lovely vehicle. Looking around it, the roof lining is a nice light roof lining. You get a very nice command of everything in this vehicle, and it is very nicely finished off. A credit to the previous keeper, this car. No disappointment whatsoever on this car. Anybody wanting to purchase it, you will no doubtably, once viewing it, it's a super car in outstanding order. So looking in the rear, this is where normally they get used and abused. but this one is absolutely as new. In fact, the chairs don't even look like they've sat in. The carpets are all in as new order as well. Another 12-volt charging point in the rear if you've got children who do have iPods that you need charge from. Like my daughter, she needs charge on everywhere she goes. Okay, so yeah, there you go. So we've got 2 keys with the car, we've got the full book pack, we've got full service history. It'll be prepared to the highest of standards here in Wigan before anybody purchases it. If you'd like to reserve this car, give us a call. I'm Graham, there's Lee and Dominic on sales. We'll take a £250 fully refundable deposit. If then the vehicle, we'll prepare it, and if it's not up to your standard when you arrive, you don't need to buy it. But however, it's ready to drive away on the same day. So if you've got a part exchange, give us a call. If you've got finance, we can quote you on that, no problem whatsoever. Have a look on our reviews, have a look on our Facebook page, our social media page. You'll see lots of customers from all over the UK coming to let cars, having reserved them with the £250 deposit, prepare them to the highest of standard, and then you only need to visit us once here in Wigan. So, as for now, thanks for watching the video, and I look forward to your inquiry.